Reaction of alcohols from Grignard's reagent. Now Grignard's reagent, these are alkyl magnesium halides. Alkyl magnesium halide. Grignard's reagent, alkyl magnesium halide. We write it RMgX. Now you know this Grignard's reagent, it is polar in nature. Grignard's reagent is polar in nature because this carbon of the alkyl group is positive, is electronegative, as compared to this magnesium, it is positive, electropositive. So due to this polar nature of the Grignard's reagent, it acts as a versatile Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent acts as a versatile reagent. It is a versatile reagent because जो Grignard's reagent है ये तो आपको पता ही पोलर है because carbon of the alkyl group is electronegative और magnesium जो है इसमें है electropositive. So due to this polar nature, it is a versatile reagent. Now this Grignard's reagent reacts with aldehydes and ketones. Grignard's reagent reacts with aldehydes and ketones and esters and gives monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are obtained. For example, this reaction जो है, it occurs in two steps. It occurs in two-step reaction. This reaction is the two-step reaction. Two-step reaction है ये. दो स्टेप में कंप्लीट होती है. नंबर फर्स्ट स्टेप जो है इसका है, now this is the carbon. I have here shown it is the carbonyl carbon. You know it is negative and it is positive. Carbonyl carbon of aldehydes and ketones. First step, it occurs, it is RMgX. This is positive, carbon is negative, here it is positive. Due to its polar nature, अब यहाँ negative बन गया. So this is nucleus loving species. Now this first occurs the nucleophilic attack of the this alkyl group on the carbon. First step, nucleophilic. This is the nucleophilic attack. I will write it here. Nucleophilic attack of the carbon of Grignard's reagent on carbonyl carbon. तो यहाँ आपका जो बनता है, it's an addition product is obtained to give an addition product. So addition product will be formed here. I will write it here. It will be like this. Carbon, this one, and here it is R and OMgX or OMgX because here it was negative. Now magnesium gets magnesium, it's positive here. So this is the addition product. This one, it is the addition product. Addition product. In the second step, now hydrolysis of this addition product takes place. Now second step में जो आपका addition product बन गया, इसकी hydrolysis होती है in presence of an mineral acid or water. Now second step, hydrolysis of addition product. So ये प्रोडक्ट हम यहाँ लेंगे. water gives या or ये वाला and right here it is C or this OH plus Mg OH X this one. So this will be the another product, magnesium hydroxyhalide. So now I will write it the general reaction हमने लिख लिया. अब reaction लिखते हैं. पहले मैं formaldehyde लेता हूँ. I will write the formaldehyde from formaldehyde. Formaldehyde को पहले लेंगे. This is the first aldehyde. Now this H formaldehyde plus greenhouse reagent it is methyl magnesium bromide. We can write ethyl also. I have taken it methyl here. Now gives it is now this is negative, this is positive here, this is negative and this is positive. So first nucleophile attack occurs, gives C, यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन एक है, यहाँ पर अपना दूसरा हाइड्रोजन है and here CH3 and OMgBr. This is the addition product, adduct. This is the adduct, addition product, or we call it adduct. And upon hydrolysis, HOH I have written water gives. नीचे मैं hydrolysis लिखता हूँ and gives the product will be CH3 this one and CH2 OH plus Mg OH Br. This is the product. So ethyl alcohol is obtained. This is the ethyl alcohol. That means from formaldehyde we have obtained the primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Now I will take another aldehyde, let it be the acetaldehyde. Now we will take the acetaldehyde. अब दूसरे aldehyde को लेंगे, हायर aldehyde इसका from acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde. Now here it is CH3 CH double bond O acetaldehyde plus let me take it is CH3 methyl magnesium bromide फिर लिया मैंने. So it is negative, here it is positive, here it is negative and this is positive. Now attack occurs here, nucleophilic attack. So it gives CH3, यहाँ पर आपका यहाँ पर CH और यहाँ पर CH3 और यहाँ से OMgBr. OMgBr, this is the adduct, you know, ये adduct बन गया and upon hydrolysis plus it gives upon HOH hydrolysis, इसको hydrolysis करेंगे यहाँ से and it will give CH3 here C it is CH3 and H and OH isopropyl alcohol plus Mg OH and Br. Now this is isopropyl alcohol. First we have obtained ethyl or isopropyl alcohol. So this is secondary alcohol. And from formaldehyde we have obtained the primary alcohol. From acetaldehyde we have obtained the secondary alcohol. So here the generalization came that primary alcohols are obtained. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Formaldehyde, यहाँ से हमें ये पता चल गया, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard's reagent, gives primary, formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Other aldehydes, I will write it other aldehydes. I have taken the many acetaldehyde लिया था, I have written it other aldehyde give secondary alcohols. Alcohol. तो अब कीटोन की तरफ जाते हैं. What the ketone yields? For example, I will write it ketone here, propanone. Propanone या एसीटोन जिसको आप बोलते हैं, प्लस CH3 MgBr. Now first this is negative, this is positive here, this attacks the carbonyl carbon, gives the addition product. यहाँ से एक CH3, यहाँ से दूसरा CH3 और अब this one CH3 alkyl group of magnesium, this Grignard's reagent, और यहाँ से OMgBr अपन इसको हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे. हाइड्रोलिसिस HOH gives, it will give CH3 this one, CH3 OH, CH3, then 3 groups. This is the tertiary alcohol. So plus, as usual, you know, MgOHBr, magnesium hydroxybromide, this one. So we write here ketones give tertiary alcohol. Students, sometimes the examination the question asked, give any preparation of the alcohol in which all the 3 types of alcohol, that is primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are formed. So all the 3 types of alcohol, that is primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, are obtained by the action of Grignard's reagent on the carbonyl carbon, or on the action of Grignard's reagent and aldehydes and ketones. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol, other aldehydes give secondary alcohol, while ketones give tertiary alcohol. This is the preparation of alcohols from Grignard's reagent. By hydration of alkenes, हाइड्रेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? हाइड्रेशन का मतलब है addition of water molecule to alkene. Hydration means addition of water molecule. So this hydration it occurs directly भी हो सकती है, indirectly. It occurs directly और indirectly by 2. मैंने indirectly भी hydration होती है and indirectly भी, directly and indirectly. पहले हम indirect method को लेंगे. For example, indirect method, अगर हम indirectly करेंगे, in indirect process method, अल्कीन जो है is passed through concentrated sulfuric acid. थ्रू कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, यानी आपको अल्कीन जो है यू हैव टू पास द अल्कीन थ्रू द कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, एंड वहां पर आपका जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा दैट इज अल्काइल हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. अल्काइल हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. एंड अल्काइल हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट, दिस अपॉन हाइड्रोलिसिस, विच अपॉन हाइड्रोलिसिस, इसको आप हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हैं. हाइड्रोलिसिस गिव्स अल्कोहल and sulfuric acid will be regenerated. For example, this is ethene, ethene molecule मैंने लिया प्लस this I have written sulfuric acid is here HOSO2OH, it is sulfuric acid. Now it will give CH3 single bond CH2OSO2OH. This one, this is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. इथाइल हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट, अगर इसको हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करें अपॉन हाइड्रोलिसिस वाटर, इट विल यील्ड मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल दैट इज CH3 CH2OH प्लस H2SO4, यानी सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड आपका वापस आ गया. दिस इज इथाइल अल्कोहल, इथाइल हाइड्रोजन, दिस इज इथाइल अल्कोहल, और आपका हाइड्रोजन दिस सल्फेट यानी सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, इट कम्स बैक. सो दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल बाय इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. यहाँ पर हमने लिया था दिस वन वाज द सिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन. अगर हम अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन लेंगे तो वी हैव टू फॉलो द मार्कोव-मिन्कॉव्स रूल. फॉर एग्जांपल, if we take unsymmetric alkane, let us take this one. This is propanene, unsymmetrical alkene, plus so what will be the formula? We have to follow the this Markov-Minkow's rule. That means the negative part of the adenine is added to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen atoms. So यहाँ पर दो हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पर एक ही. That means negative part. This is positive part. This is negative part. So we have to add this. It will yield. I will write here the product. This is CH3 and CH. तो आपका negative part जो है this one O SO2OH. This one. यहाँ पर सिंगल बॉन्ड यानी हाइड्रोजन यहाँ जाएगा. CH2 CH3 negative part is added to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen atoms. अगर हमारे पास इस कार्बन पर एक ही हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पर दो, that means negative part is added to this carbon. So this will be the product. On secondary, this secondary carbon we have added this and which upon hydrolysis. अब इसको हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे. हाइड्रोलिसिस gives isopropyl आपका बन गया सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल. दिस इज आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल. दिस इज आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल आपका बन गया. प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड वापस आ जाएगा प्लस H2SO4. सो दिस इज द हाइड्रेशन ऑफ. नाउ दिस इज द इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. अगर हम डायरेक्टली लेंगे दैट मीन्स रिएक्टिव अल्कीन्स जो हैं reactive alkenes, reactive alkenes, I write here reactive alkenes जो हैं, that is reactive alkenes add a molecule of water directly, add a molecule of water directly, उनको directly अगर हम directly add करेंगे of water, directly पानी में boil कर दो तो अल्कोहल बन जाता है. For example, this is one. Plus O plus H gives this is the alcohol. This is the product form. Now the reactive alkenes add a molecule of water directly, to form the alcohols. Process is, अगर हम mechanism इसका लेंगे तो mechanism में क्या, for example, mechanism of the hydration is as this. First, H2SO4 gives twice H positive plus SO4 dye negative here. Now water this is water molecule, यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर plus H positive gives hydronium ion. This is hydronium ion. So hydronium ion, now this hydronium ion reacts with the alkene. For example, plus now this is positive, electron pair यहाँ आ जाएगा, and this pi bond reacts, electron pair attack this hydrogen and gives secondary carbocation. Here the secondary carbocation is obtained. Now secondary carbocation जो बन गया आपका, this one, it reacts again with water molecule. So because of negative nature, electronegative nature, and forms the protonated alcohol. This is the protonated alcohol. So यहाँ पर positive charge आ जाएगी, and here it is CH3. Now protonated alcohol again. This, due to this, it is taken by water and gives CH3 CHOH isopropyl alcohol, and CH3 plus H positive जो है बाहर आ जाएगा, which will react with water and use H3O positive, that's hydronium ion. So this is the mechanism of the hydration of alkenes. First, sulfuric acid gives H positive and formation of hydronium. Now this hydronium ion reacts with this alkene and forms the protonated alcohol, and protonated alcohol upon hydrolysis loses again proton, forms the isopropyl alcohol, and hydronium ion is generated back. This is the mechanism of this hydration of alkenes. Thank you.